Today I'm going to, uh, in this video, in this clip, I'm going to tell you why in a twin flame relationship it is the female who suffer the most and the longest also. DF. I've already told you about DF, divine female and divine male version of the same soul, because we are mirror of the same soul, and we are, if into a twin flame journey, then that means that usually females suffer more. And it's through experience, through a lot many readings that I've done, that I've come to know that in a twin flame relationship, they are the females who suffer most. I'm going to tell you why this happens and what can be done to get rid of this situation. If you are a DF, you need to see this video till the end. Welcome, friends, again. Now I want to tell you why female suffers most. See, the thing is that in the beginning, you are more inclined toward this relationship. You more feel the vibrations of the relationship. You are more into those frequencies where you can feel the unresolved patterns and the suppressed emotions, which he is not feeling as yet. Maybe he is not feeling, or he has felt in the beginning, but now he's in that runner phase where he want to just run away from all that which is in front of him, and he's not able to resolve it because he doesn't have the strength to cut any of the maybe his willpower is less at this moment. Maybe he's into a relationship, another relationship where he has some responsibilities. Maybe he's too much into the society factor of things, where he is not able to come out of the society pressure and all that. So there are so many unresolved patterns and unresolved suppressed emotions which he's even not gained momentum as yet to come out of it. So you are actually feeling twice of the emotions, thrice of the emotions, maybe whatever he needs to feel. If you are sorrow, this is because you are the mirror of the same, you are mirror of each other, and you are on the same frequency. If you are into sorrow and pain, it is bound to give him that amount of sorrow and pain, and the vibrations are bound to hit him also. But at the same time, he doesn't want to feel that. So the his set of emotions, his set of depression, his set of sorrow and pain, you are also feeling. So it becomes double for you, and it will be very very difficult for you, because you are suffering. And how long you're suffering, you have to decide it for yourself, because you have to come out of it. You have to come out of this procedure. You have to self heal yourself. By end of the video, I'm going to tell how you can self heal yourself, how can you come out of this self doubt and self pity and codependency kind of relationship, where you are controlling, you want to control the behavior of other, which is normally one wants to do by the beginning of the things. And the feeling of guilt also, maybe doubt, maybe fear of wrong decision, maybe conflicting behavior what you are, and the fear of intimacy at the same time. You want to be intimate with the person, but you very fearful of that intimacy also. And the fear of commitment also, on his side, on your side, on both the side. Vindictiveness, lechery, neediness. So these could be the emotion that you might be feeling at this moment. On all that lower behavior, 3D kind of behavior includes all these things, jealousies and old patterns, and you've not transformed yourself as yet. So you're feeling that brunt more. So in the relationship, if you're representing this and you have a habit of like taking up all the outside influences also, so you're feeling the brunt more. The only way where you need to come out of, and you can come out of this, is that you need to trust and have faith, and you need to accept. First you need to accept everything. So you have to let go and accept his behavior also, accept that this is happening, accept that you are into this relationship, accept that universe is going to help. So surrender not to him, but to divine forces. Surrendering by accepting, by letting go, by going with the flow, by accepting what you want in your life, by accepting that this is a relationship where your weaknesses will come up, will come in front of everyone, and then you need to work on those weaknesses, and by going into and by clearing those blockages, those chakras, those weaknesses, you will have high vibration, and then he will come towards you or she will come towards you, whatever part you're playing at this moment. And you need to accept his behavior also. See, he could be going here and there, he could be actually turning towards more relationships, just to avoid you, just to get out of that intense relationship that he is feeling, that intense pull that he's feeling at the moment with you. So he could be just going here and there, but ultimately he'll come back to you, because that is what he really wants, and that essence is needed. So you need to have the patience also, you need to have acceptance also, you need to accept his behavior, you need to have the patience also, you need to let go of the, and you need to trust into universe, into timing. And the best part what you can do is, during this acceptance phase, you need to accept yourself, you need to work on yourself, and that is the best part, that you need to work on yourself, that self discovery phase, where you need to work on yourself by self loving yourself, the self love part, where you should know how you want to be treated by others. You need to treat yourself first, and you need to treat yourself more like that, how you want others to treat yourself. So in that phase, if you've learned how to treat yourself by loving yourself, by self loving yourself, that way you're going to come out of this this situation, which could be a mess for you. And you need to love yourself. Love is the only key where you can come out of this messy situation, where you will learn how to get out of this situation, where you will learn, friends, where you can learn. That is the only thing that you can do. I'm sorry friends, I'm doing a video simultaneously for Instagram also, and here the video has ended, but we are listening to this. And I must tell you that self love is the only key, because by giving yourself self love, by giving yourself more in this relationship, you are going to learn more, you are going to uh, save for yourself more, and hence things will improve more. And that way you will come out of this this separation phase more, because you will be into the higher vibrations, and hence higher vibrations are bound to attract him also to the same level of ecstasy and essence that you have felt with him. And that is what you are here for, to uplift the people around you, to uplift the planet, uplift the consciousness and energy of the planet. Thank you so much, friends, for getting connected. Thank you.